Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by following Roblox rules. Do not attempt workarounds. Verify your account email, and if voice chat needs age confirmation, prepare parental consent or official ID as requested. Once done, enable two-step verification and update your privacy to allow voice features. This protects you and others. Make sure your device microphone permissions are granted in system settings and that Roblox has access. This legitimate setup avoids risks and keeps your account in good standing. You now use the official in-app flow to request voice access. Follow prompts exactly and upload any required verification materials through Roblox's secure channel. Once you submit, watch for confirmation emails and enable voice chat in settings right arrow privacy when approved. Make sure to test audio in a private server or with a trusted friend so you can adjust input levels and noise suppression. This responsible approach ensures features work reliably and keeps community safety intact. You finish by resolving common problems, update mic drivers, confirm app and OS permissions, and check firewall or privacy tools that block audio. If your verification is denied, contact Roblox support through the official help center and provide the documents they request. Do not resubmit via third-party methods. Finally, use muted defaults, teach digital safety, and enable parental controls when appropriate. This prevents abuse and keeps voice chat a positive experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.